team, it's me Nerve again. So we've created the actuals for the cohorts, right? So let's go visualize them quickly now. So the first thing I would do is go to the spaces. Let's create a new space. Let's call this cohorts. Lovely. Give it a different icon. And status is in progress. So it's going to refresh now. There we go. Perfect. I shall create a table and let's call this table new customers. Yeah, that should be fine. Lovely. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go to the variable section, right? That'll open up my models. I'll see my cohort model. And underneath that, I want to bring in the variable new customers, and let's apply that. Perfect. So you can see all these levels of detail have been brought in, right? By month, by cohort month, by date, so on and so forth. Obviously I need more data than just 1 month. So what I'll do is I'll go to the time frame. I'll select adjust time frame. And let's do the last 12 months of actuals. So I'm going to go 12 months to the back in terms of my start. And you can see it's from May 2024 to 2025 May. I shall apply that. Very good. And the last thing I want to do is add a splash of conditional formatting. So I'm going to go in there, conditional formatting or conditional colors. Select that. Let's flip the colors around actually. And green. Very good. And I have all those levels of detail right now, just like that. Perfect. I shall save this table. So the next thing I want to do is bring in my retention rates. You can create a new table, but I find it easy to go and just duplicate an existing one. So I'm just going to duplicate this, right? I can click on builder again, and by duplicating, all you have to do is basically go into your variables again, right? Get rid of new customers, go back to your model, bring in your retention rate, click apply. That's all you have to do. Perfect. Splash of color. Let's actually flip these things around. I want to do that again. Lovely. Oh, nope, that's not new customers. Perfect, it's fine. I'll go call this retention rate. My bad. There we go. And perfect. Lovely. So now that's done. Let's bring in total customers as well. So go in there, you can duplicate this table, the other table, it's completely up to you. I'm going to go into Open Builder again. Let's call this total customers. Very good. Same thing like earlier. Go back to my variables, and all I have to do is get rid of this and bring in customers. Let's give this a different color this time. So you obviously can just have as many colors as you need to, as you can see, hex codes and so on and so forth. Let's say give it a bit of a mellower red, a mellower yellow, and a brighter green. Why not? Perfect. And those are your total customers, right? So perfect. So we have basically 3 tables right now. We have the new customers, retention rates, and the total customers, which gives you like a clear view of your cohort performance. You can move these things around. So for instance, I can bring it in here if I want to, right? Let's actually do one more thing. Maybe I want to visualize this a bit differently in like a chart as opposed to a table. I can go duplicate this, right? Let's call this total customers view 2 or something. I know, you can name it anything you want to. And I will go to my visualization over here. Instead of a table, what I'll do is I'll do a line chart. Lovely. Then I'm just going to go change the variable to have my cohort date as the level of detail the chart's broken by. Perfect. And I will just fill my area so you can see like how your cohort performs through months, right? Obviously, there's a whole bunch of different chart types you can select and different ways of you slicing and dicing it.